Hi, guys, and welcome to my channel. This is exclusively for tarot reading, and I will be bringing lots more videos on different topics that I could cover and pick. Uh, Also, I'm open to suggestions. So, once you've gone through this video, if at all there is any specific topic that you would want me to do a reading, I would love to know. Alright, so please do comment in the comment section below. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the reading for today, which is what is coming up for you in the month of August. There are three batches: Deadpool, Groot, and Batman. For those of you who resonate more with numbers, that's batch 1, batch 2, and batch 3. Alright, so choose your batch or pick a superhero of your choice, and we shall begin. Alright, for those of you who chose the first batch, that is Deadpool, I must say you have been through a lot, alright, and you're getting out of this energy. It probably is over the past 10 months, or it could be in the past, 6 to 7 months that has gone by because of everything that's been happening around the world. Alright, you have really been through a lot, but there is good news, because the only way up from here is moving forward and going up, right? And you are, because then you have the Chariot card and you have the Queen of Pentacles. So you're coming into your own, you're becoming very grounded, you're being very focused, you're being you're very self-assured. There are forces that probably would be pulling you into opposite polar opposite sides, but you are in charge of your life and everything that you're set out to do, and you will gain the stability that you've been looking for. You'll be very fiery and passionate about it. You'll have a lot of energy. You will be bashing on with a lot of positivity in life, and I see that probably by the end of August, you there is going to be a change in your life. You're going to set out on a new adventure in your life, either professionally or personally or both, and good changes are ahead in the month of August. All right, you are coming into your power. You are taking charge of things. You are becoming very self-aware. You are grounding yourself a lot. All right, there also could be a very stabilizing factor in your life, in the form of a mother figure, or it could be a wife or a girlfriend, or it could just have this very nurturing earthy energy in your life that sort of gives you that warmth and that support in your life that you need to get back on track. So you have a lot of help, all right, moving into the month of August, and which you will, but you have to be a little careful. All right, you have to be a little cautious. As much as you would want to just sort of barge into things like the Knight of Wands, you also have to be aware of the dangers, or you have to be aware of the pitfalls, right? Although I don't see any pitfalls as such, but you have to be aware because of everything that you've been through in the past, or everything, the energy that has been bogging you down. Don't forget the lessons that you learned from that. All right, so changes are ahead. A fresh brand new start is ahead. A cycle is ending. I think that's the best way to put it. So that's your reading, that's your energy for the month of August, batch 1, Deadpool. Alright, I hope you like the reading. If this resonated with you, at on any level, please do let me know in the comment section below. And please do like the video and follow my channel. Thank you. Moving on to the next pile, which is Groot, the second one. Hello there, batch 2. For those of you who chose Groot, the baby Groot, I have some good news for you, and there's a reason why you probably chose baby Groot, because there's a baby on the way. Some of you viewers watching this video are at the brink of giving birth to a child, or you will be getting the good news that you have conceived. And so from here, henceforth, you'll have to have a lot of patience. Okay, you are probably bound to have mood swings, and this is strictly for women who are expecting or who are trying to conceive. You have probably been through miscarriages, so what I advise you is to have patience and don't cry over spilt milk. Don't cry over the past mishaps, all right? Because I see you conceiving and I see you celebrating. So don't be in that melancholic energy of, oh my god, will I get through the pregnancy? Will I get to term with this pregnancy this time round? Yes, you will. All right, but you have to stop being sad and depressed about it, because it will affect your health. So that is for some of you watching this, and for the others of you, I just see a very, very light-hearted month for you in terms of lots of celebrations, get together, a good news coming in, some sort of an emotionally fulfilling news coming in for you guys. That is what I see for you. All right. You, however, would probably be you would fall prey to bouts of melancholy, and you would be reminiscing about the past and everything that happened in the past and things that you've lost in the past. But please don't, because you see, you still have 2 cups remaining behind you, but you're crying over spilt milk with the 3 cups that have spilt in front of you. But you have to count your blessings. All right, so count your blessings and don't worry. A lot of you who are watching this are probably of a water sign, primarily, strongly a water sign, that is Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, or a Leo sign, a fire sign. All right, yeah, so that's what I see. You need to practice patience and perseverance. All right, so there is something that has happened in the past that sort of puts you in this sort of a very melancholic mood, or sends you into a bout of depression. So please don't be. If at all you need to talk to anybody, please do. You do have friends whom you can rely on. They're not there only for like good times. You can talk to them, because there's some sort of a good news, some sort of a very good emotional news that is coming in, that will cause a reason to celebrate in the month of August for batch 2. All right. So yeah, that's what I see for you. I also see that for some of you who are in the entertainment industry, who are in the arts field, the performing arts field, you could be an actor, dancer, singer, painter. I do see some sort of an offer coming towards you regarding work. All right, and you have shown a lot of patience. You will be practicing a lot of patience, and you will be persevering, and you will come through. All right, but you have to stop feeling dejected, because I see that happening a lot, because you are a very sensitive person. But don't worry, because there is something coming in for you, some sort of news, information, some sort of job offer that will cause you to celebrate with your friends and family. All right, batch 2, this was your reading. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the heart button. Also, let me know in the comment section if this resonated with you, and if at all you would want me to do any specific reading, you're most welcome to. If you want a private reading, you're most welcome to get in touch with me. You can always DM me. All right, so that was your reading. These are your energies for the month of August. Thank you so much. And now moving on to the third batch and the last one, which is Batman. Bye. Hey there, batch 3 who chose Batman. Um, this is your reading. These are your energies for the month of August. All right. So I see the some of you, or like, this is just the general energy for most of you, that it's okay. So August is the month for Leos and Virgos, and this is the Virgo card, the Hermit card. So, a lot of you Virgos, all right, you would get into a very introspective mode, all right. You, you are craving for a very strong foundation in life, all right. There is something that you're waiting for. You're waiting for your ships to come in. You're waiting for some sort of news to come in. Some of you who own your own business, I think it's regarding that. Money matters are going to take precedence over everything else. Be beware to not be sort of, don't get carried away by the things in front of you, because they might not seem to be what they really are. All right. There would be a lot of choices in front of you, all right, which could cause a little bit of delusion, confusion, but knowing you, and if I see you as an energy, you're somebody who's quite grounded, and that's the reason probably you would go into a very introspective mode, because you want to take the right decision. You want to make sure that you don't spend the money. You want to have a very strong hold and footing at work, at home, professionally. All right, some of you could be in the entertainment field, and things have been sort of rough for everybody, especially the performing arts field, because everyone's been hit very hard with the pandemic, and probably it's regarding that. So, money matters are going to be very important for you. Saving, being very astute with money is going to be very important for you, and business wise. All right, so I do see you kind of managing in the month of August, but be wise. Everything that you've learned up until now, go back to the basics and relearn, or remember everything that you've learned and put that to use. All right, and remember not to be too confused or get too don't get too sort of, I'm not finding the right word. Just remember that everything that glitters is not gold. All right, everything that glitters is not gold. So be very careful about the things that are presented in front of you. Otherwise, it's not a bad month. You'll be doing fine in every which way. All right. So that's the energy that I'm getting for you, batch 3, Batman. So if this resonated with you, please do let me know. If you would want me to do something else, any topic that you would want me to do a reading on, please do mention it in the comment, and please do heart this video if it resonated with you. I'll see you in the next video, and so stay tuned. Please do follow this handle, and there's a lot more to come. All right, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.